Happy New Year, everyone. This video is going to be a little bit different than my regular video. I feel like I say that a lot. This is just a random video of a bunch of random projects I have going on. Some video clips from some just little things that I'll show you here of stuff that I find cool. And when other people do videos like this, I really like it, so I'm going to do a video like this because I really have nothing super interesting to share with you. But one thing we do have here, we're sitting in my little grow tent, and what I have here is my little lemon tree. This thing has been growing for about 6 months now. It's not growing hydroponically, it's growing just in dirt. But don't let the color fool you. These are, they're supposed to be lemons. They look like limes right now, but it seems plenty happy. So that's one weird thing I have going on. Another weird project I messed around with was this little Bitcoin miner. Not really profitable anymore because the price of electricity and the hash rate and all that jazz. Anyways, I messed around with this back when it was profitable, and now it just sits here as kind of a decoration. It also makes a really good heater because it almost breaks even on electricity versus, you know, heat cost and whatnot. So on electricity versus the Bitcoin it generates per whatever. Anyways, kind of just a relic now, and it sits here because it looks cool. So we're sitting here in my workshop. I had a million pens built over Christmas. I was cranking through products as quick as I could, sending them out to as many people as I could. So hopefully you got them in time. If not, you knew you were on the cusp of not getting it in time. So I'm super grateful to all the people who ordered pens and all that jazz. I got a few cool new additions over Christmas. You can see I got a grounded surface plate. I'm super grateful for that. Thank you to whom you know who you are for getting that for me. Now basically lets me measure how far out of tolerance I am on certain parts because it's so flat. Nothing I have around here that is that flat. I got a new drill, just a brushless lithium drill. My old one I want to throw into the river because it's been used and abused, and it just doesn't work as a drill very well anymore. And I got some really cool side cutters. My old side cutters I kind of roasted, cutting all that hardened steel when I was making springs. So I got these ones. These ones will apparently cut hardened steel all day long. They got kind of a really cool lever mechanism. Anyways. Way more than I would spend for a pair of side cutters for myself, but as a gift, they make an awesome gift. So awesome. I'm happy to use these, and I've used them a few times and they work great. So cool. Oh, and I got to show you this cool project coming up. I got this. This is a borosilicate glass tube, and I got some steel rod, and we're gonna mix that with this little contraption here, which is a neon sign transformer. And that is going to produce a bushel of ozone. But why are we using ozone? Well, because we're going to take the ozone and we're going to pump it into this room. Oh, what is this, you say? So this, aside from being the worst place in my house to record video with its very dungeon-esque kind of lighting and vibe down here, is a concrete bunker in my basement where I've put my flotation tank. So this is a DIY flotation tank. I've built everything myself. There's like a thermocouple. I bought thermocouple, but then I machined a little aluminum bit for it, and it's got its heater. It's got a titanium 1000-watt heater, and it's got a 5-micron filtration and a 1-micron filtration, and it's got UV injection. That's what I was talking about prior. And it's got UV sterilization, or sorry, ozone injection, UV sterilization, and the whole inside is lined. The bottom pan is all EDPM pond liner. It's held up with HDP supports and stainless hardware throughout, and it's got an air exchange system, and it's a bit of a beast. It's the lowest cost commercial style float tank I can make. So anyways, that's coming soon. All the parts are ordered. Everything is coming here now. Even ordered the salt. The salt is coming. So there's nothing now stopping me from completing it, and I am so excited. So I'll shoot a video on that later. But the framing is going to be difficult because this is like you're on one wall and I'm on the other, so it's a very small room, but very good for acoustics and a thing like this. But anyways, later. Another project I've been hiding from everybody is my electric fat bike project. I got a fat bike for a pretty decent price. I'll put a picture of it here. Very similar to my other electric e-bike, except this one has the same motor, except I bumped up the battery significantly to a 10 amp hour cell instead of a 5 amp hour cell, and I also put a belt drive on it, geared it down way lower so it doesn't have as high top speed, but it's just got insane amounts of torque, and I've been buzzing around on that in the winter, and it is amazingly fun. Anyways, that's all I have of interest right now. I will definitely be posting more information about the electric bike project and about the FloatTank project because those are super interesting and I think a lot of people will have interest in that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to people who bought my pens and visit my site and leave me a comment and all that jazz, or just silently watch. You guys are all awesome. I will be doing new things in the new year. I will be doing a giveaway. I promise you this. I've said it once already. I will be doing it for the YouTube people. I had a million things going on before Christmas, so we'll get to that. The new year, we will get to that. Anyways, thanks everybody. Anyways, if I say anyways any more times, I'm gonna go crazy. So have a happy new year. Enjoy yourself, be kind, be cool, and I'll see you guys later. Adios, bye.